You might have already heard of the fat-burning diet called the fat-burning furnace and might be wondering if this is the best fat-burning plan there is. Chances are, you've struggled in the past with diet plans that called for ridiculous food restrictions and exhaustive workout sessions. I'm going to look at the fat-burning furnace program and give you my honest assessment of whether or not the plan can help you reach your goals. This fat-burning diet plan maintains that weight loss can be achieved by following a regimen of specific exercises that takes about 45 minutes each week, along with a healthy diet that incorporates plenty of nutrient-rich foods. This plan sounds pretty simple, but we wanted to get the real scoop on the program and find out if it really works. We discovered that this fat-burning diet system was created by Rob Poulos and is being used by thousands of people across the globe. In the book, Poulos reveals that he and his wife were both overweight and went through numerous trial-and-error plans while looking for the best fat-burning plan for them. After they won their fight, they began offering the program online in order to help as many people as possible. This program includes interval weight training routines that will help tone the muscles and boost your metabolic rate. This works because the body needs more calories to repair any muscle tissue that has been broken down by weight training exercise. It takes from 24 to 48 hours for the body to repair muscle tissue and continuously burns extra calories during the process. With more muscle mass, you burn calories at a faster rate, even if the body's at rest. This fat-burning diet plan uses short burst exercise, which is a well-received concept in the diet and fitness industry. It is believed that this type of exercise prompts the brain to shed excess weight. This method is the opposite of long cardio methods that are popular, but very time-consuming. This program might be one of the best fat-burning plans out there for people that have been sedentary for a long time. Many people that begin a fat-burning diet aren't used to fitness training, so this program offers a break-in routine to ease you into a fitness regimen. As always, before starting this or any other program, check with your doctor. The author gives some sound advice and provides plenty of information that's based on solid nutrition principles. The principles are that the body will crave nutrients that are essential to its health. When these nutrients are sufficiently supplied, cravings for junk food will diminish and the body responds by adjusting itself to its optimal weight. This program makes it easy to lay out the best fat-burning diet plan because it tells exactly what foods you should eat and which ones you should avoid. It's all spelled out clearly in plain black and white. This fat-burning diet recommends eating small, frequent meals throughout the day rather than 2 or 3 large meals. Overall, the Fat-Burning Furnace Fat-Burning Diet Plan can help you reach your weight loss goals. When you follow this plan, you won't feel like you have a ball and chain restricting your lifestyle. The best fat-burning diet plans are simple to follow and this plan is easy to stick to. I hope that this Fat-Burning Furnace review of this fat-burning diet program has provided the information you need to choose the best fat-burning diet plan for your individual needs.